Ito naman, ikinatuwa ni Coach Tim Cone ang bagong hakbang ng kanyang dating manlalaro na si L.A. Tenorio na susubok na ngayon bilang PBA coach. Yan ang ulat na teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Sa pagbubukas ng bagong season ng PBA ngayong Oktubre, inaasahan din ang coaching debut ng former Ginebra star na si L.A. Tenorio para sa Magnolia Chicken Templados Hotshots. Matapos ang matagal na panahon bilang isa sa mga leader ng Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, dadalhin ni Tenorio sa Magnolia ang sistema na kanyang nakasanayan. Isang estilo na malapit sa coaching philosophy ni Coach Tim Cone. Pero ayon kay Coach Tim, hindi siya nababahala sakaling i-adapt ni Teniente ang kanyang coaching style para sa Magnolia.
I'll be curious to see what LA does. I haven't seen any video of his games yet. Of course, we watched the junior national team, the Gilas, Batang Gilas, and they had a lot of pressure and going after it, but then they weren't running the triangle or anything like that. So it'll be interesting to see how much of the triangle he adapts, or whether he goes into continuity. Through the influence of Coach Kirk Collier, it'll be interesting for me to see how he evolves his coaching.
Dagdag pa ng veteranong coach, hindi na bago para sa kanya ang makaharap sa mga dating kasamahan, mga coaches at players na minsan niya na ring nakatrabaho at nakalaban sa liga.
Going against Jeffrey, Mike Cortez, Jeffrey and Mike was the assistant, Jeffrey was the head coach, and so like I'm going against ex-players there. I go against Luigi at Moralico. I go to, now LA and Magnolia, Willie Wilson in Phoenix, Chut with Talking Tex. I mean, yeah, they all know me really well. There's not a lot of, dislike that you oftentimes have with, other teams. I mean, these guys are all ex-players or ex-coaches, and they mean a lot to me. So it's difficult going against them, and that's just the friendship part. And then you have the X and O's. They know the X and O's of what we try to do.
Isa ang 67-year-old coach sa mga haligi ng coaching sa PBA. Hawak niya ang record bilang winningest coach sa kasaysayan ng liga. May 25 PBA championships, kabilang ang 2 Grand Slams at higit 30 taon na karanasan bilang head coach. Kaya para kay Coach Tim, ang pag-usbong ng kanyang mga naturuan ay hindi lamang personal na tagumpay, kundi patunay na handa ang bagong henerasyon na ipagpatuloy ang legasiya sa PBA. Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.